Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to Dash of Delight. Wish you all a very happy Navratri. Today I have brought 3 delicious, quick and easy fasting recipes. These are sweet potato bruschetta, sabudana khichdi or sauteed tapioca pearls and bottle gourd or squash pancakes. So without any ado, let's get started. I've taken one big sweet potato. I already boiled it. You can also bake it if you want. Then cut it into round or slant slices like this. Then char it on a pan from both the sides until you get these red marks on the slices. You can also grill it on a grill pan if you want. When all the slices are nicely charred from both the sides, top it up with some sweetened yogurt or curd. If you are a vegan, opt for a plant-based yogurt. Nicely coat all the slices with yogurt. Then, in a bowl, take one finely chopped tomato, cucumber, cilantro or coriander leaves. Then add a sprinkle of black pepper powder and salt. Mix all the ingredients properly and then keep 1 teaspoon mixture on each slice. See, like this. Make sure your seasoning should be perfect, otherwise you'll not get that actual flavor of the recipe. Then at last I'm adding half teaspoon of my homemade tamarind chutney on each slice. The recipe of this tamarind chutney or imli ki chutney is already on my channel. I'll give you the link in the description box, you can check out from there. So that's it. Offer this amazing recipe to Mata Rani and enjoy the prasad. Happy fasting! I've taken 1 cup of tapioca pearls or sabudana and I soaked it overnight. While soaking it, please remember 2 extremely important pointers. 1. Wash the sabudana at least 2-3 times until all the white starchy water goes away. And second is, your water should be just enough to cover the sabudana. I mean the level of sabudana and water should be same. If you exceed water at all, your sabudana khichdi will become sticky. Then I've taken 1 big boiled potato. Peel it off and cut it into small cubes like this. Then take some oil in a pan and once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it change the color, then add chopped green chilies. Take the quantity of chilies as per your taste. Then add all the potato pieces and saute for a while until it gets red color. Guys, I forgot to add curry leaves, but no worries, I have an idea. I will make some space in the middle and add my curry leaves. You can use this idea whenever you forget any ingredient in a recipe. Then add some salt as per your taste and mix it together. Very soon you'll see that the potatoes have got a very nice reddish crust on them. So this is the sign our potatoes are nicely sauteed. Now add all the soaked sabudana and give everything a good mix here. Your flame should be at medium temperature. Then leave it open for 2 to 3 minutes and then after about 3 minutes you will see that sabudana have started becoming transparent. See, like this. So saute for a few more minutes until all the sabudana pearls become transparent and nicely cooked. Then add some salt and also I have crushed some roasted peanuts and added into it. So basically I already roasted handful of peanuts in the beginning of the recipe and then crushed it. This will give a very nice bite and flavor to the recipe. Then add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper is optional as we have already added green chili. So that's it guys, serve it hot on a plate, offer it to Mata Rani and enjoy the prasad. Happy fasting! Alright, now let's move on to the last recipe which is bottle gourd or squash pancake. I've grated 1 bottle gourd, which is also called as lauki, doodhi, ghia and by lot many other names as well. Now, if in case you are in a country wherein it's hard to find it, you can also take pumpkin or any squash and grate it. Then add 2 big tablespoons of buckwheat flour which is kutu ka atta. You can also take chestnut or singhara flour. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 green chilies finely chopped, some finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, and some rock salt or sendha namak as per your taste. Mix everything together, add little bit of water if required and mix it properly. Now grease a pan or a tawa and put small portions of the mixture on it. Now my griddle is quite big, so I'm making 4 small pancakes at a time. You can make 1 big one or however you like. Cook the pancakes from both the sides until golden brown and enjoy with any dip or chutney of your choice. This healthy recipe is an amazing idea not only during fast but any day in your breakfast. So do try these easy and quick recipes at your homes and enjoy. See you next time. Bye-bye.